Today, I want to talk about a very interesting business opportunity: real estate photography. Many people don't know this, but real estate photography is one of the fastest growing small businesses today. Every house that goes on the market needs good photos and videos. Buyers first see the home online, not in person. But here is the problem. Many real estate agents still take photos with their mobile phones. The pictures are often dark, crooked, or not professional. And when photos are not good, fewer people click on the listing. Good photos can sell a house faster. This is where real estate photographers come in. You don't need a huge studio or expensive equipment. To start this business, you only need a few important tools: a good camera, a laser measurement tool to measure rooms and spaces, a drone for beautiful aerial photos and videos. Drone photos are very popular because they show the entire property, neighborhood, and landscape. In the United States, if you want to fly a drone for business, you need a Part 107 drone license from the FAA. This license is not very difficult to get, and it allows you to work legally as a drone operator. The best part about this business is time and income. Usually, photographing one house takes about 1 hour, and many photographers charge $250 to $300 for one house, sometimes even more if they include video and drone shots. Real estate agents always need new photos because houses are always being sold. If you already understand camera angles, lighting, and video, this business can be a great opportunity. For me, as a YouTube travel creator, I already understand filming, framing, and storytelling. So real estate photography is a natural skill to learn. This business is not only about making money, it's also about helping people present their homes in the best way so they can sell faster. Maybe this idea can inspire someone watching this video to start a new small business. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more ideas, travel stories, and creative opportunities. See you next time, one destination at a time. Abbey Travel Guide.